With Mr. Hardwood Inc. here. We've got a refinish going on, moved some furniture. We're actually going to take this floor and lighten it up a good bit. Just so you see the beauty of the wood on 45. So several accents they have here. Got some water damage there, getting pulled up. Also, this is water damage, it's getting pulled up and replaced. And all is going back dark walnut. Install, sand, refinish. Customer didn't quite get all the breakables and valuables up as I asked them to, but sometimes we go above and beyond. So we're going to be redoing this staircase there. Some more breakables and valuables. This customer I've had for several years, and they're going to put this house on the market, move to their beach house, which is awesome. And that's pretty encompassing of what work we're going to have to do here. Just getting started today. We'll probably should be close to having a stain color on this tomorrow. Have it sanded down. Make it look absolutely beautiful. Mr. Hardwood Inc. Atlanta. Nice herringbone there. Alright, let's get it on. I wanted to show breakables and valuables. You gotta find somewhere to put. Lose most of them. Awesome. Mr. Hardwood Inc. Atlanta. Out. With Mr. Hardwood here, walking into a project over here off West Wesley. Repair, water damage, install sand and finish. Looks a little different today. Very good. Got some work going on here. Got it going on. Got water damage has been repaired. Most of it's about ready to stain. Some buffing to do. Woo! The herringbone looks nice. Cleaning up left to do. Beautiful. Beautiful. Boom, 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 boom. So we got it going on up in here. Everything looks good. And that's about it. Got these stairs. Looking beautiful. As normal, Mr. Hardwood Inc. Sand and Finish, West Wesley, Atlanta.